Okay everyone, welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to the best stretch for soccer players. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin today's practice coming into a deer pose, otherwise known as a 90-90 stretch. So this stretch is awesome for the hips. So basically what we're doing, we're just bringing our legs and making two 90-degree angles in them. So let's start by placing our left leg in front of us, keeping this left foot flexed, creating this 90-degree angle in the left leg. And then let's bring our right leg behind us, bringing our right knee in line with our right hip. Again, creating this 90-degree angle in our right leg, keeping that right foot flexed as well. Your hands can just rest to your sides or in front of you. And from here, once you're settled, just come back to your breath. Feel free to close your eyes. Breathing into your hips here. Let's take one more breath. Exhale, slowly, mindfully release. We'll just swap legs. So let's bring our right leg in front of us, our left leg behind us. Again, creating 90-degree angles in both our right and left leg, keeping both feet flexed. Hands can rest by your sides again or in front. And once you're settled, just come back to your breath. Feel free to close your eyes. You should really feel this in your left hip flexor here. Let's take one more breath. Exhale, slowly, mindfully release. From here, we'll come into a Janu Sirsasana or head to knee pose. Let's start by extending our right leg long, keeping this right foot flexed. Your left foot can just rest in your right thigh area. And now from here on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, turn a little bit towards that right leg and then melt it forward, really breathing into the back, the right leg here. Let's take one more breath. Exhale, slowly release, roll it back up. From here, let's just take it over to the other side, extending this left leg long, keeping that left foot flexed towards you, and your right foot can rest in your left thigh area. From here on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up. Exhale, turn a little bit towards that left leg and then melt it forward. Again, really breathing into the back of the left leg here. Let's take one more breath. Exhale, slowly roll it up. Great job, you guys. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. From here, start to walk your hands out long in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat here. Really breathing into the back body. From here on your next exhale, let's shift it forward and we'll take a high cobra. So stacking the hands right underneath the shoulders, opening up your chest, opening up your heart. Feel free to roll your shoulders back, open up even more. Keep your core slightly engaged, breathe. On your next exhale, let's curl the toes, shift the hips up, and we'll come into a downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal out the feet here. Again, breathing into the back of the legs. Make sure to keep your fingers spread wide. Hands are actively pushing into the mat. On your next exhale, let's bring the knees to the mat and we'll come into a toe stand. So keeping the toes curled, let's just sit back on our heels. An awesome stretch for the feet and the ankles here. If this is just too intense for you, you can always uncurl the feet and sit back on your heels like this. Wherever you are, let's just take a couple breaths here. And from here, let's make our way onto our backs. Take your time getting there. And then once we do get there, let's hug our knees into our chest. Feel free to rock side to side here, massaging the spine. Now from here, let's bring the feet down to the mat. And we'll come into a reclined pigeon pose. So let's start with our right leg. So crossing our right foot over our left thigh And then from here, lifting our left leg up off the mat. So the left calf is parallel with the floor. Let's keep both feet flexed here. And then here we can wrap our arms around our left leg, breathing into the right hip here. Exhale, release that left foot down. Let's just take it over to the other side. So planting our left foot in the mat, stepping our left foot over our right thigh, and then from here lifting our right leg up off the mat so our right calf is parallel with the floor. Both feet are flexed, and then from here we can wrap our hands around our right leg, breathing into that left hip. Exhale, release. From here we'll come into a reclined butterfly. So bringing the soles of the feet together, letting your knees open up wide. One hand can rest on your belly while the other one rests on your heart. Or you can have both hands just rest down by your sides. Come back to your breath. I encourage you to close your eyes here as well. On your next exhale, let's extend the legs out long, and we'll come into our final pose, Shavasana, letting our body and our mind reap all the benefits of today's practice. Keeping your eyes closed, I encourage you to stay here, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.